Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you the enclosure that we installed on the Segway UT10 aka Fugleman. It's a hardcap enclosure. The name of the place that we get it from is hardcabs.com. You can check it out for yourself. They make a lot of enclosures for different type of models. This one particular is a premium model. It comes with the front glass windshield, poly rear windshield, roof, side doors with the slider windows. The slider windows as well as the glass. Comes with a wiper and washer tank. It also comes with a heat. Let me just show you a little bit of that. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it also comes with the mirrors. The doors are pretty nice. It's a poly doors, like I said, with the slider glass window. Has a nice gasket around it. Nice open handle to close and open door. The window slides back and forth. Have a lock, a latch. Comes with a strut, so it holds itself in place. It opens on its own once you pull the handle. So it's a nice design. The gasket would hold the water from getting into the machine. It's probably not 100% waterproof, but it's at least will keep you dry inside. So let me go around this way. The passenger side is the same as the driver's side. Mirrors comes on both sides. It's a nice design. It's so easy. You just pull the handle and it goes on its own. Nice design. The window is a tilted window. It's a two position. You have it somewhat closed, so you can have like a nice airflow, or you open all the way up if you want to have a nice breeze into your machine. Let's close that. So the wiper kit have this box like any other wiper kits. Turn the key on, turn the wiper on. Here we go. Now it works. The water or washer fluid comes from the wiper itself. You press the button and it starts spitting out the water. So when it's done, shut it off. Here we go. Now your window is pretty much clean. Also comes this particular panel comes with a light. You can see it over here. It's like your dim light or whatever you call it, the cab light. Nice good liner on the roof, so it's a nice design. The heater, it also comes with a heater. You have your defrosters here. You just adjust them the way you want and the air comes from there. You also have the vents coming from the bottom of the heater, and they are adjustable as well. I have three positions on the fan, on and off button. So if you want to shut it off, it's off. I mean, nice design. Like I said, it's a hardcaps. You can get it from hardcabs.com, or you can get it from us for your Fugleman. They also make the same, pretty much the same enclosure for the Villain and the other models, like I mentioned. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a nice, well designed. So, and I hope you like it. Thank you.